Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing new feature on the Canva website. It's called Canva Dream Lab. As you may know, Canva already offers a ton of awesome tools. You can create thumbnails, design posters, edit videos, and so much more. But this new feature takes things to another level. Canva Dream Lab is all about AI image generation. And yes, it's as cool as it sounds. Here's how it works. First, ask ChatGPT to help you brainstorm an idea. Once you've got your concept, ChatGPT will give you a prompt. Copy that prompt, head over to Canva, open the Dream Lab feature, and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Wait a few seconds, and boom! You get a high-quality, AI-generated image, just like the ones you see in this video. All the images you're seeing right now? Yep, made with Canva Dream Lab. You have to try this out. It's super fun and super powerful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay tuned for the next video.